Hi everyone, here's another unboxing video. This one's of the Tamiya FineSpec FM radio gear set. Here's some views from around the outside of the box. This set comes complete with battery and charger, speed controller, servo, everything, complete kit. This is fully sealed, hasn't been opened before, so I'm pretty keen to have a look. All the important paperwork and manuals. Very shiny and new. Here's everything all laid out. Let's put some batteries in the transmitter and give it a bit of a test. Not a too bad radio gear set, not sure what card I put it in yet. Thanks for watching everyone. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you like our stuff. And if you do get some time, maybe check out some of our other videos. Thank you.